Hi, it's me, Rebecca. Just a quick little video on the sanitizer holders. Last night I made a comment saying I was gonna put an ad on them, and it was good in my head, and I had thought about it for a few days, but it just didn't work out to how I wanted it to. So no add-ons or anything are happening with it. What I was gonna do is make just an additional tab that you can snap it if you were worried, but there's really not enough room to do that here. So I've never had one fall out. I know some people have had concerns about them falling out. I carry it on the outside of my purse. It's latched and my purse is swinging and everything. I've never had one fall out. So, but I was gonna try to make it so you could secure it better, but it doesn't need to be. But anyways, look, I was playing. These are panels from Glitterbug Fairy. This was her Wizard of Oz take or whatever. It's the cutest little lion. Look at how adorable that is. And then the 4x4 panels, once again, you can use them for these projects. So this one was a tight squeeze. You get a little bit of white at the bottom, but it's still super cute with the 4x4 panel. Now let's also talk sanitizers real quick. These designs have been tested to work with. The main one was the Touchland brand. That's what I made the original for. Then we found out, okay, the Walmart brand fits it too, but I don't have that one on hand. But Walmart also sells this brand. It fits, but it's not quite like this sticks out the top. That wouldn't worry me if I had this instead of their other brand, which is the same size as this. So these fit perfectly in them. So that's the Touchland brand. And they don't fall out. They really don't. I promise. I've never had one fall out, and I've been using them since I designed them about a year ago. So this is the regular size. Now this size is the smaller size that I made for people who are wanting the Dollar Tree brand, which is this brand, I believe, or it's this brand. Either way, one of these brands comes from the Dollar Tree, and one of these brands come from the 5 and under store, or below $5 below store. But I don't have one of those stores up here, so I went out of my way to find whichever one it is. It might have been this one. Excuse me. They fit perfectly. There's no need to adjust any settings at all. They're good and snug. They're not going to come out. That's the Wish brand, and this is the Be Pure. I believe the Be Pure is the Dollar Tree brand. It fits just perfectly. And so those sanitizers work for these, and you get both vials. You get the regular size, and I call it the small size. It's short and fat, like me. Huh. And I had bought like a 10-pack on Amazon of this stuff. This one will fit in here, but it sticks out the top a little bit, so things will fit. This is a different brand from Walmart. It fits. It just sticks out a little bit. You don't want to enlarge this design because it will enlarge on the sides and then they'll fall out. And this is, I thought these would work good, but I mean, they work, but they just stick out the top just a little bit. That doesn't bother me, but they had a great deal on these. I bought like a 10-pack for like 20 bucks or something, and they're big. So they're the 1.3 ounces. So anyways, we talked sanitizers. Anyways, super cute. Another project you can do with the Glitterbug Fairy panels, and I have some of those panels in the little giveaways. And look at what I made. Okay. Speaking of Glitterbug, okay, so I bought her little set. So I made me a little chapstick and a sanitizer. This is a cute little set. I might keep it for myself, or I might gift it. I just love that little lion. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope that explains the sanitizer. And I'm sorry about my add-on. It just didn't it didn't work out the way I wanted it to. But anyways, thank you.